Hello, I'm Esteban, and this is the user guide for Robotics Academy website. Here on this page, you'll see a 2D diagram. Hovering over the 3 buttons in the 2D diagram will show you hidden text to learn more about each of these buttons. Clicking on these buttons will highlight the button and show the text as long as you're hovering over the button. Clicking on the button will scroll you down, and just hovering will show you the text. Clicking on the Immersive Learning button will take you to the Immersive Learning 2D diagram. In the 2D diagram, there are 5 different buttons showing you more information about each section of Immersive Learning. By clicking on these, a text box will appear on the 2D diagram. If a user wants to learn more, they'll click on the Learn More button on the bottom. On the Immersive Learning landing page, you'll see more information about learning more about the project and different categories and features. Currently, these features are under construction, so by clicking on the navbar button, will take you to the construction page because they're currently working on it. Now, back to the landing page, you'll see a navbar for Home, Contact Us, Sign Up, and Log In, and also the Robotics Academy logo. By clicking on the Robotics Academy logo or Home button, will take you back to the main landing page. Back on the main landing page, it has its own navbar. This navbar has the NSF project, Immersive Learning, Innovation Network, Automation Marketplace. Here in the NSF project, you'll learn more generally about the project. Clicking on the NSF project text will take you to the NSF project landing page. Here, you'll see the same 2D diagram, but with no scrolling, and more information about the program, the news, the collaborators, and finally, the newsletter. Clicking on the navbar for milestones will show you the milestones of the project. Clicking on Submit will show you a PDF document of the Submit report of 2019. The bottom has a newsletter to sign up to the Robotics Academy email. Clicking on the Our Team navbar button will take you back to the main NSF landing page and show you the whole team. Hovering over the team will show you their name and title. Clicking Join Us will just show the newsletter. Back on the main landing page, we'll click on Automation Workplace to scroll down and show us the Automation Workplace. It is the same as the Immersive Learning 2D diagram. By clicking on Learn More, we'll see something pretty similar to the Immersive Learning landing page, except this is catered towards the Automation Marketplace. Here, you'll see more information about the Automation Marketplace. Clicking on the Automation Forum will take you to the construction page. Clicking on the Jobs Network button will show you a filter for jobs and more information to get started. Clicking on Industry Trends will take you to a in construction page. The same is said for the Venture Cafe. Now, we'll click on the Innovation Network. You notice it's the same as the Immersive Learning and Automation Marketplace 2D diagrams, showing you more information on the individual areas that you are clicking on. Clicking Learn More will take you to the Innovation Network landing page. Clicking on the Roboticist Forum will take you to the Flarum forum. Clicking on Research and Development, Tech Trends, or Use Cases will take you to In Construction pages. Now, as a user, if you click on a Start a Discussion button while not signed in, the Login module will pop up. Clicking on Sign In, you will be logged in. Now, clicking Start a Discussion, you'll see a discussion box pop up. You could minimize this discussion, maximize it, or control the height of the text box. Here in the discussion title, we'll type Demo Discussion. From here, you can also click on Choose Categories. In the Choose Categories, we could pick 6 different categories that are available to us. For now, we'll click on Beginners. Inside of Beginners, there are subcategories to narrow what your discussion is talking about. For now, I'll click on Beginners, VR, AR. Now, we're going to type some text. Here, I will bold type. And now, I will italic some. And then, I will quote text. We could even insert code. Now, you could even have a link. You could even add an image. You could even create a bulletin list. You could even create a numbered list. And now, you can mention a user in the post. Here, I will call another user called Noah. Clicking on Attach will open up your file browser for your computer. For this example, we'll click on the Robotics Academy logo and upload it to the site. And finally, for the last forum feature, we'll click on Emojis. That can be added to the forum. Clicking on Post Discussion will take you to the discussion that you have posted. Here, we'll show you everything that was written down. Clicking on Follow will get you new email notifications from this post. Clicking on Share will open the social media you want to share this post to. Now, back to the main page of the forum, we will go to a discussions code test, showing you a timeline of the original post to the latest post by the timeline bar on the right-hand side. Clicking on an image in a post will zoom the image. To close it, click the Close button on the top right-hand corner. Now, clicking on a user, such as myself, you can edit links that you want tied to your account. Here, I'll just re-add my GitHub. And from here, you can add a logo to your link. Now, from someone's profile page, you can look at their posts, discussions, private discussions, mentions, and settings. Here in the settings, you'll be able to control what emails are sent to you. You could control whether or not you want to follow discussions that you reply to, allow others to see that you are online, or block private discussions. Since I am an admin, I have the ability to change my username. Users will be able to change their password and email. Here in the controls, you'll have the option, as an admin, to change my username or change my affiliated group. And from the same controls drop-down menu, you have an email. You have an option to email someone using the Robotics Academy email. Now, let's take a look at private discussions. In a private discussion, you can select a new person by just typing their name. Here, I'll use Noah again. You are automatically a recipient. Clicking OK will take you to another post. Here, it uses all the same post rules as a regular discussion, except it's only between two recipients and not categorized. Here, I will use a numbered list. In this private discussion, you'll be able to click on the profiles of the people who are inside of the private discussion. Private discussions have all the same features as a regular discussion. Now, as a user, I have a notifications button showing me my most recent discussions. Here I have a discussion that someone messaged me by a private message. By clicking the flag post icon, it will show me flag posts that users have flagged for me to review. Now, using search inside of the forum will allow you to search the titles of the forum and its contents. So if I were to type demo, it'll take me to the demo discussion that was created earlier. If I were to type Noah, and I were to search for all users with Noah, I'll see that I have two users here called Noah. As an admin, I have the ability to delete links tied to accounts. From here, in this search for users, I have the ability to send an email to all users. This button, next to the email button, will refresh the page in case there was a new account with Noah in the title. Returning back to the discussions page will show you, since we are in currently all discussions, in all discussions of the forum, there are two with the word Noah in it, because the search is still active. If you want to remove this search, click the exit button. Now, on the main forum page, you have the ability to sort what discussions you want to see. We'll click on oldest for now. Here, the oldest discussion is called test discussion. In a discussion, you could click like on a discussion, or you click reply directly to a user. This user is myself, and it will automatically at myself. Clicking on the ellipses will show you that you can edit your post. In this post, it shows two images that were since deleted. Clicking on the close button of this post will cancel the editing. And that's the forum. Thank you for watching.